Lumen is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, let me introduce to you the LED LM-84 PL LED optical aging test instrument. IES LM-84 is a new method adopted by IES based on the LM-80 to test the luminous flux and color temperature maintenance rate of LED luminaires, optical engines and light sources. LED LM-84 PL system needs to be used with an environmental test chamber and a high-power AC power supply. The system is equipped with specially integrating spheres for E27 bulbs and strip tubes. The software calculates LED life based on Arrhenius model and TM-28. The user only needs to install the lamps, and all the temperature and humidity control, samples on-off, aging, sampling, testing and life calculation are completed by the software automatically.